about the first time you came to Fuji Speedway.
About 60 years ago, my father took me here for my birthday. I think I was 6 or 7 years old. I fell in love with cars here at the Fuji Speedway. This is a place I can develop the car to make ever better car.
So tell me about this car.
This is the new Lexus LBX. This is a car which I drive in a weekend. This is my personal car. This LBX, that's kind of casual luxury. The car is as comfortable as my sneakers. People think big is luxury and small is economical. But that's not true.
Are smaller cars just more fun to drive?
To me, yes. This is a special edition. More high performance. 1.6 liter turbo engine with DAT, direct automatic transmission. This horsepower is over 300, which gives it really smooth acceleration and also amazing torque power. I can hear some music with this car.
It kind of sings.
So. It's fun to hear. Fun to drive is not only just driving. The sound, smell, all kinds of ingredients.
This LBX is the Morizo edition, right?
Mm-hmm.
You had them set this car up to your personal taste.
Yes. As a master driver, I'm kind of a translator. Like when you're eating your favorite dish, your favorite chef gives you the best amount of salt and pepper. That's exactly what it is.
This is why it has a Morizo badge.
So, Morizo badge. See?
It's really good.
That's why my face is always smiling. And I will just continue driving and driving and driving.
How long would you drive like this on your own?
Until I need to fill up the gas. That's why sometimes my mechanic doesn't fill it up.
Just so you can't drive forever?
That's right.
When you started becoming a master driver, you decided to drive under the name Morizo. Tell me why.
Morizo's name, nobody knows. So nobody cares about who is driving. Morizo is just a person who loves cars. Not only Toyota and Lexus. Love cars means all kinds of cars in the world. When I am Morizo, I can talk more freely. If Akio Toyoda, I have to be careful when I speak. Like you're boring.
Morizo is the
Morizo is a fun guy. This coming weekend, we have a race. こんにちは。これ今度レクサス LBX。
ねえ、と思ってまた乗せてください。タキさんいます。
タイさん、ダブルチャンピオンおめでとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
いやいやもうダブルチャンピオン。メルセデスが似合いますよ。LBX。今度年末ぐらいから売り出すやつ。
年末ですか。
はい。
まだ売ってない。
はい。これは来年です。
これはない。
はい。これは例のあれと同じエンジンだから。1.6 リットル3気筒ターボ。
あ、そうなんです。3気筒ターボですか。
はい。この黄色のあれがいいでしょ。ブレーキキャリパー。はい。ありがとうございます。I added the yellow accent to this special edition because yellow is Morizo's signature color.
Is Fuji Speedway your happy place?
Yes, very much. Very much. And everybody knows that about me. My experience driving at a racetrack really began a new booking. New Brooklyn has a hotel, some nice restaurants, but there is nothing like it in Japan. So I asked some people at the Fuji Speedway, why don't you make a nice hotel which can attract people in Asian countries or even American and Europe? So we developed this new Fuji Speedway hotel.
So the hotel has this wonderful museum in it.
Yes. Most of the people coming to that hotel all love cars. So we needed some kind of museum for them to enjoy the history of automobiles, including all brands. I especially want to share this history with younger generations.
Akio, what makes you happiest?
While I'm driving, that's the best, happiest time in my life.
It's like you're away from all the people that want.
All bothering, right? All headaches.
何かご用ですか?
What did she say?
Can I help you?
See, even she wants to
Yes,
alleviate
yes.
your headaches. Just like this car.
Yeah.
Is this your favorite Lexus?
My favorite Lexus or favorite car is LBX. This is my body. This is my friend.